This time I'm working on windows, starting with these sun bleached quarters. First I scraped the old tint off with a razor blade, then cleaned off the old glue, and I'm ready to fix the door windows. Alright, welcome back to the Z project. I think I've got a fairly simple one today. I'm going to try and fix this issue with the window. The bushings that hold it in, the upper one and probably the lower one, are just shot, and so the window is just kind of hanging out, and it leaves a big gap between the window and the seal and causes water to just pour in there. So I'm going to try to take care of that so that I can actually leave this thing outside when I have to do other things in the carport. So I'm just going to pull this door panel off and see what I need to do to get the window out so that I can get those bushings swapped out, or guides. And I'm going to do driver's side today, passenger side tomorrow, since I don't have a whole lot of time to work on it right now. So let's get started on that. Yesterday I got the driver's side window guides installed. Today I need to do the passenger side, tighten that up a little bit. I had to back it out of the carport because I didn't have enough room to open the door. So yesterday was a little bit more of a pain than I thought. So to this time, now that I kind of know what's going on, I'm going to walk you through what I've actually got to do. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to have to pull this door panel off. It is a little bit different than the driver's side because you don't have this door handle on the driver's side. It's got a little pocket. And then I was also missing these two pieces on the driver's side, but that's okay. So I'll take those off, and then I'll take this door handle off and take out all the similar clips and screws. And it's not quite how to take this off because these door panels are not in the best shape, and they're not going to have all the clips and pins and whatever in them that holds them on. So I'm just going to do it and just kind of show you the steps between. After removing the pop rivets and screws, the inner panel pops off and the outer slides up and off. The door handle has two covers, top and bottom, over the screws. And I don't know how many there should be, but I just removed all the screws in the door panel I could find. After pulling the window switch and trim around the handle out, the panel comes right off. Then I drop this sweet speaker adapter and move the window where the nuts line up with these holes. And these keep the window from going too far up, so they have to come out in order to get the glass out. The outer weather strip pops off easily enough. Remove the two nuts and the glass comes right out. So this window stop wasn't on the other side. Didn't even know it was there. Makes sense to be there though. As I said, it comes right out. I'm sure there's a special tool for this, but needle nose pliers seem to work to keep these base plates from spinning, and then also to remove it. So I like to lay the parts out as they go in. Just makes this quick and simple. No need to crank down on these, just tight enough for it not to move around. And this lower one has a Phillips screw on the inside since it's always hidden inside the door. Same thing as the top. Lay out the old parts in the same order they came out for the new ones to go back in. The new one looks slightly different than the old one. It's the same on both sides. Lining the window up to get it back in is probably the most aggravating part of this whole job. So then reassemble all this in reverse order. I kept the stops finger tight and then adjusted the window before tightening these up and putting the door panel back on. All right, with that, I've got both sides done. The parts were original equipment, so they went on pretty easily. And I think next time I'm gonna get this thing tagged and insured and take it for a drive, make sure everything's going well. And until that one, see you next time. Thanks for watching.